Welcome to this tutorial on how to refinish a bathtub using epoxy self-leveling paint. First, we need to carry out surface preparation for the bathtub. You can use a razor blade scraper to remove any silicone around the entire bathtub. Then, sand the surface of the tub as much as possible. Check for any remaining silicone residue and remove it. After, wipe the bathtub with a damp towel and clean it. Dry the entire bathtub with a heat gun, paying special attention to the tub or tile joint and around the drain. Be sure to cover the drain with masking tape to prevent blockage. Cover the drain with tape to prevent blockage. Remove the safety band on the can and pour the entire contents of Part B into Part A. Mix thoroughly with a stir stick. Usually, thorough mixing can be achieved after 2 minutes. Kink the can to make pouring easier and carefully pour half of the product onto the top of 3 sides tub top around the tub. Pour the paint down the sides of the tub and let it flow down to the bottom. Then, spread any excess paint evenly with a scraper. Try to leave about an 1/8 inch of paint. Then, scoop out any excess paint from the bottom and back up the sides where the paint hasn't covered yet. Use a brush to push the paint from the 4-inch mark on the sides down to the bottom of the tub, and brush it out evenly. Extract the right amount of paint and pour the paint so that it can flow along the surface of the tub and cover it evenly. The product will be in a liquid state for 12 hours or more and will harden within 24–36 hours. Sand out drip marks and polish with rubbing compound. Repair an area with light coats of lacquer, wet sand, and pop. DWIL paint can be sanded and recoated without stripping. After 12–24 hours, carefully cut the masking along the floor with a utility knife and sharp blade, and then remove the tape carefully.